videos and other files from the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro to an SD card and vice versa. Open the File Manager, which gives an overview of everything on the phone. Go into the folders, where you'll see internal storage and the SD card. The DCIM folder usually contains all photos, screenshots, and videos. Downloaded files are typically in the Downloads folder. If you can't find something, use the search option. Go into the DCIM folder, which contains screenshots, recorded videos, and camera folders. Select the files or folders you want to move by tapping the circles on the side. You can select multiple items or hold to select an entire folder. Tap, move, or copy depending on whether you want to relocate or duplicate the files. Choose where to move them, for example, the SD card. Tap on the SD card, then tap Paste. The files appear in the new location, and the original folder is now empty. That's how you move photos, videos, or any other files. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe,